What is up, everybody? Hans is right here. Today, I really want to share something I learned working as a data developer in bank. So, since last year, I decided to change my career, and so that I just prepared it for a whole month. I just learn a course, read a book, and rewrite my resume. And I added a lot of projects on it, and it kind of like taking a risks because before I was doing e-commerce and in a different e-commerce company. We handle different data. We just sell products and online on uh, Google AdWords. We use Google AdWords, Facebook ads. Then I think, oh, this is something like sometimes it's kind of hard, and this market is it's not that feed, especially for the quarantine season. And if you want to ship product to a different country, it takes more than 20 days. So that makes customers feel despondent, and the shipping price is kind of high. So the cost of per product is kind of expensive, and I couldn't find a lot of opportunity to right here. So in that case, I decided to change. For me, as a master degree computer science background, I still have a little bit competitive advantage to apply. So I decided, all right, I'm gonna leave out so that I will for a whole month. I'm gonna prepare it. No matter the result, I give myself a chance. Otherwise, I can still go back to e-commerce industry because I really believe that selling sometimes gonna be the really fast way to earn money. So when I think of that, I say, all right, I'm gonna leave, and then I'm gonna start to prepare the data developer. And you can think it is data developer because in data science or software industry, there are so many different branches. So in that case, I decided to prepare it since I only have 1 month. So I'm gonna only hack for one skill, that's Circle. So for the Circle, it's a really useful tool that any companies need. So different MyCircle or Oracle, or Teradata, DB2, and even GaussDB. Those different type of circles software. The common grammars are really similar, but if you understand how to use Circle, you can not only writing a process that store the method to find data or find different each of the firms and find the different tables and relevant connect them, so that will help you to analyze or different data or different structures. You can find different business models and different patterns using it, and it's not really hard to learn. That's one thing. So I decided to go to learn that. So the whole month process is really, it's kind of difficult because I at the work in the spare time. When I came back home, it's almost 9 o'clock, and just learn until 12 o'clock, and I go to sleep. And the second day I go to work as well. So it takes me a lot of time to do so, and also take risks. And because of this, the method I used was the reading books. I just search different. I buy books. I read 4 Circle books, and that's on my. It's a different app called Reread. I use my laptop to read because that makes me feel easier. And then I watched a lot of different videos or step by step, and I followed 3 or 4 courses related to Oracle, and I just practiced on my LeetCode. And there's a LeetCode Chinese website, and I did more than 40 LeetCode problems on solving different Circle problems. And I already suggest you to practice that. If you only read books or without practicing, it will be really hard for you because every interview, the interviewer will give you a few tasks to solve it and want to see the method you use, or they will call you, or they ask you to solve some Circle problems. And for example, they give you an example, then they will listen to your own thoughts on how to solve them. So you need to practice. So what I did, not only LeetCode, I found some real interview problems and solve them. And step by step, I take notes. And every time I finish this leak code, I would just see other people how to solve them, and then I would click and copy the method to my notes. And the second day, I will review it. And what's more is the whole month for the November and the December, I wake up at 4:30 every single day, and it's really you can see the different background. Almost I wouldn't say not every single day, but at least almost every day. I wake up at 4:30. I will find 2 extra hours to practice, to learn, and then go to work. And the result turned out to be great. I on the November 8th, I got 2 interviews. I got 2 companies. One is still an e-commerce business company. That one hired me for as a data developer because I in the past I have a little bit background for this. I told them they also. I'm not showing that I have master's degree because at very beginning, if I just show them I have master's degree but I didn't have experiences, the income will be lower. So based on that, I just show them my undergraduate school. So after that, I finally decided to go to bank because this bank is quite famous in China. So then I just finally came in. This project, what I did is a really long project. It takes 2 years to finish it all. So the regular work I do every single day, somewhat is kind of bored, but I have to write write a lot of code to search each tables and find them and connect and transfer data, etc. But I hope I truly learned a lot of new methods, especially Excel, and I improved my Excel skills a lot. So I just want to think of maybe in the future with those experiences, I can improve a lot. So next time that'll help me to jump into a new stage. But currently, what I'm going to do is keep preparing, keep learning, because I know sometimes you want to do some great things in life. You should just be patient, should be truly understand how to solve them, how to solve problems, how to learn from your boss, learn from your team, and finally you can improve yourself, you can grow faster in life. So this is the video that I shared my whole experiences in the last few months, and you can see what I did in the past. I truly hope you guys can learn from something from this, and if you're into this topic, let me know and I'll share you more. And finally, no doubt, if you're into personal growth and you like to learn, you want to be like a life hacker, no doubt, just click the subscription and click the notification bar if you want to watch the latest video. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I see you on the next one. Peace!